Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. In this math tutorial, we are solving this equation by completing the square. It is important to note that this equation is in the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. Now, we can take minus 2 to the other side. So we'll be having x squared plus 10, x is equal to 2. If it crosses this equal sign, it becomes positive. Now we need to consider b. We will say b over 2a squared. Now we're looking for that. We are going to say this is equal to, that's 10. A is 1, so it's 10 divided by 2. So we get 5, and that will be 5 squared. Then we get 25. Now we are going to add this 25 to the left-hand side and add it to the right-hand side, because what we do on the other side of the equation, we must do it on the other side as well. So we are going to say now x squared plus 10x plus 25 is equal to 2 plus 25. Okay. All right. Now let's simplify the right-hand side. We are going to have x squared plus 10x plus 25 is equal to 27. We are going to factorize the left-hand side by the method of inspection, and we are going to get x plus 5 squared. That is going to give us 27. All right. Now we are going to make this x plus 5 the subject of the formula. We are going to say x plus 5 is equal to plus or minus the root of 27. Now we are going to say x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus the root of 27. Now when you use the laws of sets and exponents, you find that root 27 is equivalent to 3 root 3. Therefore, we say x is equal to minus 5 plus 3 root 3, or minus 5 minus 3 root 3. And we have come to the end of this problem. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.